The interior temperature sensor is located on the lower instrument cluster trim surround and indicated by the red arrow. You do not need to completely remove the piece to change out the sensor. This piece is somewhat delicate, so take your time. Move the steering wheel all the way down and back to give you more room to work. Start by the door and use a trim removal tool and pry off the dash end cap indicated by the red arrows. For future reference, the cap will contain some tools used to replace the fuses. Use a T20 torque and remove the two screws holding the vent to the dash indicated by the red arrows. Slide the vent slightly towards the door and wiggle it out from the dash. You can leave the vent connected and hang it out of the way while you change the sensor, but if you want more room to work, remove the electrical connection from the mount on the vent, red arrow, and use a pick to press in on the tiny tab, blue arrow, and separate the connection. You're going to be removing the lower dash surround, and you can remove the trim surround around the key separately, but I like to remove it together with the lower trim surround. There is an LED light in there, and this helps you not break it. Use a trim removal tool and start separating the lower trim piece from the dash, red arrows. Working on the passenger side of the steering column, use a trim removal tool and gently pry out the dash trim piece. You can remove this piece without removing the vent. The red arrows indicate the locating holes for the trim piece. Use your trim removal tool and starting behind the dash surround, gently pry the piece away from the dash. Use the trim removal tools and work your way around the lower piece, separating it from the dash. Once it is free, pull it forward and separate the wiring connection for the interior temperature sensor, indicated by the red arrows. While facing the sensor, turn it 45 degrees clockwise and pull it out from the trim surround, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.